Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be cash stuffing my first paycheck of August. If you guys haven't already done so, go ahead, subscribe, and like the video because it's good vibes over here and I promise you are going to love it. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1100. 51, 52, 50, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, so 220, 110, oh, that's a perfect 10 for my saving challenge, 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So in this video, I will be cash stuffing $1,613. Okay, I'm gonna set this off to the side. Okay, I'm gonna just go through these real quick because I want to save like the most nicest or crispiest bills for that saving challenge that I do. I feel like I usually do this off camera, like before I even start stuffing, but it's fine. Okay, so I think that's the nicest one in the back. Let's see, I don't think I really have the nicest size, but I'm probably the best in the back already. I only have 110. Sometimes I find the nicest one, sometimes I don't. But I think we're good there. Okay, so I know I missed cash stuffing my 3rd July paycheck, but I did go ahead and set money aside for the monthly saving challenge and the every little bit adds up saving challenge that I've been doing. So I'll be stuffing like double of those in this video. Also, I did get my nails done, but I got them done like 2 weeks ago, so they're looking kind of a little busted in this video. But it's cool. Let's go ahead and get into my wallet, which I believe is completely empty. I'm going to go to my iPad really quick because I do write down what I'm stuffing on my iPad. Okay, fill the tank is getting $40 as usual. Still haven't been able to go back down to like 35. But 40 it's not too bad. It does what it needs to do, I feel like. My funds is getting to 50. We have some birthdays in August, so some of my money will be going to Amazon because I'm trying to get like little birthday gifts for my family. So 250. So that's 1, 2, and 50. I hope this isn't frame good. Food is getting 200. So 100, 150, 200. And then buffer is getting $9. So 5, 6, G's. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That busted one threw me off. Okay, so $9 in buffer, 200 in food, 250 in my funds, and then 40 in fill the tank. And that's it for my personal wallet. We're going to go ahead and go into my bill binder. Rent isn't getting anything. Car is getting $340. So 1, 2, 300, 320, 340. Car insurance is getting $121. So 120, 21. Oh my gosh, these ones have been through it. Okay, phone isn't getting anything. Dental is getting 68, I believe. Excuse me, I had to like burp. Okay, dental is getting 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68. Personal debt is getting 200. So just that. And then subscriptions is getting 50. Okay, and that is it for my bill binder. We're going to go ahead and go into my sinking funds binder. Pet bet. Sorry. Pet bet is getting 100. My dog is in need of some food. And then car maintenance is getting 150. So 150. And that is it for my sinking funds binder. Okay, next I'm going to go into my monthly savings challenge. As you guys can see, I kind of stuffed that money in the back that I didn't stuff on camera the last 2 weeks, but I do have the money here. So we can go ahead and stuff July in this video and then August as well. So I'm going to set this money aside really quick. Let's go ahead and go to July. Yep, July. I'm going to set that there. And then I'm going to just kind of use my calculator so you guys can see. So we're doing 3 plus 10 plus 17. So that's $30 that I needed to add to this challenge. And that's exactly what I have right here. So I'm just gonna, let me pull it out so I can put the money right. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and color in July. Been really trying to stay on top of like this monthly challenge because I want to have that over $800 at the end of the year. I do want that. Yeah, I'm gonna need that. Because at the end of the year you have taxes coming up that you need to pay, like property taxes and stuff. Like there's you need that money. So yeah, I'm gonna need that money. So I'm really trying to stay on top of this. So I'm gonna set this aside because we are now stuffing for August. And what am I stuffing for August? I'm doing 49, which I think is 21 and 28. So 21 plus 28, that's 49. So I will be stuffing $49 into August. So let me get my 20, 40, 5, 46, 47, 48, and 49. Okay. So 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. Going into August. Let me go ahead and color in those in the back. All right, so we'll just have 14 and 7 of stuff next week. In 2 weeks, whenever I get paid again. And that is it for my monthly savings challenge. Okay, lastly in this video, we're stuffing my favorite challenge of the year, honestly. And that is because every little bit adds up. Let me go ahead and pull out this money over here. Please hold. Okay. I'm just going to add it to the tray. Okay, so in the $1 saving challenge, we'll be adding $2. Let me get my marker and go ahead and color in. Well, I am filming TikTok videos and Instagram videos after this, so I'm wondering if I should dot it or just go ahead and color it in for you guys. I think I might just put, I don't know. I'm still trying to get used to like the filming of the long form, filming the long form videos and filming like short form videos all in like one setting, and how to do it, which one works better for me to do long form videos first, then the shorts, or shorts first, then the long form. I don't know. Still trying to get used to it. But I might dot it, but I'll count the money for you guys. So I'll just put a dot. So, wow. So we should have $12. So I'm going to go ahead, take this money out, add the $2. And let's go ahead and give this a count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay. In the $5 saving challenge, we are going to add 2 5s. Let me go ahead and dot. So we should have $60 in this saving challenge when I add the 2 5s. Okay, and we're going to give this a count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. So $60. It's like lint or something. Okay. And $10, the $10 saving challenge, we are adding 2 10s. So I'm gonna dot that. And in this challenge, we should have 120. So let's go ahead and add the 2 10s and give it a count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20. So 120 in that challenge. Okay, and lastly, we'll be adding 2 20s into the $20 saving challenge. So that will bring our total up to $240. When we add those 2 20s in, let's give it a count. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40. So 240 in the 20s. And that is it for this saving challenge. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and liking and commenting. I see your comments. I read them. So sorry if I don't reply to all of them. It has been like so crazy these last couple of weeks, but I do read your comments, and I absolutely love all of the support that you guys are giving this brand new channel of mine. So thank you so much. I hope you guys have a blessed day or night, depending from when you're watching. Bye.